Sini tinini Pandawo manjak fainai. Sini Narwayokra. Chief guest for today's program, His Highness Maharaja Pradut Kishore Manikya Debrama. Respected guest of honor, Sri Jagadish Debrama, Honorable Chairman TTAADC, Sri Purna Chandra Jamatia, Honorable Chief Executive Member TTAADC, Sri Animesh Debrama, Deputy Chief Executive Member TTAADC, Sri Chittaranjan Debrama, Honorable EM Education, Sri Kamal Kalai, Honorable EM Health, Sri Babaranjan Riyang, Honorable EM LRS, Sri Moti Doli Riyang, EM Social Welfare, Sri Rajesh Tripura, EM Fishery, Sri Suhel Debrama, Honorable EM Sports and Youth Affairs, and our special guest for today, Mr. Sunil Debrama, Honorable MDC and President of Youth Tiprasa Federation, Srimoti Sindhukaina Jamatia, Honorable President of Tripura Women's Federation, Sri Rajeshwar Debrama, Honorable ex-MLA Tripura, and respected Political Secretary to the Chairman of Tripura Motha, Sri Ananto Debrama, Honorable MDC, TTAADC, Sri Robindra Debrama, Honorable MDC, TTAADC, Sri Umasankar Debrama, Honorable MDC, TTAADC, and former President of TSF, Sri Ganesh Debrama, Honorable MDC, TTAADC, Sri Sodagar Kalai, MDC, TTAADC, Sri Debajit Tripura, Honorable MDC, TTAADC, Sri Dhirendra Debrama, MDC, TTAADC, and I think I must have forgotten to mention the name of our beloved MLA, Sri Bisuketu Debrama too. And all jaga manjak fainai, joto frontiers ni Tripura Motha ni district tai central ni leaders, including sini Women Federation ni advisor, sini Bukuk Okra, Porikrabala Jomatia, tai Central Committee members, Ati Jomatia Song, tai Bibinno district tai block level ni leaders rogno, tai members of the press, and all the members of Tripura employees, Sara Tripura ni je chakri khainai rogno, ang ani khabai khubaino norogno jotono o jaga faimani khakaham yafaro. Tai it gives us immense pleasure. Tini sini thani belai ke tong thangmani sal tamle hniba asak sal nasingmani ulo tini chung Tripura employees ro sini bubak raja tai ADC ni government ro kaisa o pandawo je o sorkarni kaisa employee wings no bohaino borok recognize khainani tai of bisho advance lamsoma pandawo borok phai manjama bagai pariching joto o jaga manjaknai joto takuk tai bukusono ang koijawo yafa khoroblai kaisa na kaisa sing joto no welcome khailainai. Sing saimano under the leadership of Bubagra Taibini Je Party Loge Tongaironi Thani, Chungbohaino positive. We are positive that the employee society or the employees mother of Tiprasa will be able to contribute to the welfare of tribal society. Sengjoto Thansa khai yak ba yak rom layoi nini ani hniawinai, so we shall not commit the mistake that we have done in the past because of our differences, because of our groupism. Zora sopaika takuktai khani bukurok जों थानसानि मारियाव हाबैनाय जे बुबाग्रानि इमां तिप्रामथानि इमां जे बोसकाङो जों सिनि ग्रेटार त्रिपुरा लेन्ड सानथानिवो जों साख्रि खायनाय बहायनो एज अ फोर्थ पिलार अफ डेमोक्रेसि जों बरगनो साया नोंया खायनो जों अ जागा या प्रेसेना हनै जत फायका हनै आंबो खाखायो जों सायबार आगिवो we have seen in the past our voices were suppressed by those people in the power sini khorang ageni je power tongerok bai sini khorang rok जों सेनक्लक जागिनाय sini khorang rongno बैखनाय आङो तामनि बागै sini khorang suppress खायजाक why were our voices being suppressed that was largely because we remain or we choose to remain divided जों एकता करिनि बागै थामसा करिनि बागै बैबाय जों तला सकलगि तंजागो फियाबा जों खागावो बैनि दफानि बररनो सिमित जों साया हनै खागावो but I must tell you my brothers and sisters सिनि सबसे greatest enemy बैके बुया in fact सिनि जे थानसानि मारिबो हिमिया आमोसि सिनि greatest शत्रु ताइ enemy हनै आं खाखायो हंगा कक सानानि इंका तो गोबां मानो दङो हंगा जों दिनै अमनो साना मुचुओ आं जे दिनै अ जे खरां ओंखा थानसानि खरां this voice of ours this language of ours is nothing but the language of unity and the language of Thansa hंगा जों थानसानि मारिबो हिमिनाय because o थानसानि खरांनो जों साइमानो we will be able to revive sini history sini culture sini tradition tai sini laibuma hangka hangkaino जों kaisa boskangni salo जों गोजों साल नुनाय हायनि बागैनो last but not the least ang sana musuo that OZ Tiprasa employees ni platform let this be the platform for all the employees from all segments of society whether it be private sector or chakri khainai ro public sector or chakri khainai ro including those who are generating self employment and those who are self employed osokok sawino ang sanamusuo bubagra ayulokthong थानसानि मारि आयुलकथों थानसानि लामायाव जों हिमलायनाय तिप्रासा धफा आयुलकथों हामबाय खुलुमता